Today we are here and my client Kayla is getting a Skinbetter Alpharet professional peel. This peel comes in 30% and 50%. Today we are going to be doing a 30%. She's brand new to chemical peels, but she's the perfect candidate because she is concerned with sun damage, overall anti-aging, collagen remodeling, as well as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So first what I'm going to do is double cleanse. One thing to remember when providing this facial is making sure you don't use hot towels, steam, or hot water when providing this chemical peel. The next thing we're going to do is the peel prep solution. You will saturate your 1x1 or your 2x2, and then you'll make sure the entire area of the skin has been covered. This is basically a mix of lactic acids that gets the skin ready for the peel. After putting the occlusive around the eyes and lips, you'll also want to make sure the skin is dry, and instead of rubbing it dry with your cotton pad, you'll just want to blot the skin. The Skinbetter Alpharet peel is a patented blend of 3 different acids: salicylic, lactic, and glycolic. And what a lot of people will use a fan with this chemical peel. However, I don't like to. I want to be able to have my client let me know if something's a little tingly or she starts to feel a little heat. So I don't use a fan so that we can both gauge how her skin is reacting. So now I'll go ahead and mix the peel with the acids. So you'll completely mix this all together and it'll turn into like a gel consistency, and then you'll want to start your timer. This stays on the skin for 3 minutes. I always recommend changing your gloves after you apply the peel and you're getting ready to take it off. I also recommend, with a client who's new to chemical peels, going low and slow. So while it says 3 minutes, you can always take it off a little sooner. Your client's still going to get really great results, but really seeing how the skin reacts for the first time, because you do this in multiple steps. You'll do this 3 times, 2 weeks apart. You can add on more time as the skin responds correctly. After neutralizing the skin, your client, or if you're getting the treatment yourself, you should no longer feel any more tingling. If at any time you do feel like hot spots during the treatment, it can be removed from those areas. I always like to just keep a little bit of aloe on hand. After I remove the peel from that area, I can use that. Now that I have removed the cleanser and the peel, I now will go in with the Alto Defense just to protect her skin, as well as applying SPF. So I'm just applying SPF now, which you'll obviously always want to do, but especially after any in-office treatments. You can get this peel up to every 2 weeks. I usually recommend every 4. And after this treatment, you won't need to exfoliate or use retinoids for a few days, but wherever you're getting the procedure, they should let you know your aftercare. With the Skinbetter Alpharet peel, you can experience maybe mild to flaking skin, but you should not peel in sheets. Some people experience nothing if their skin's super tolerant. It just provides a superficial exfoliation and leaves their skin glowing and smooth in 3 to 5 days.